Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for Color Rush Studios. This is a the Sweet Summer kit. It's for July 2024 and everything in this kit is exclusive aside from this set of thickers, which is amazing. I have a complete unboxing on my channel. You can just search down in the, Color Rush Studio, blah, 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 and it's right there. So I did do a little bit of pre-game homework here. And what I did is things in this kit that I knew I wanted to fussy cut. Like before I even got started, I went ahead and cut out. Don't know if I'm using them right now or not, but I did cut them out. I've got these great florals. I've got this amazing wreath. I love it. And then I fussy cut out these little elements that were on the same piece of paper that was on here. They were on the flip side. I'm like, yes, it's like a 2-for-1. So I have that and then a couple of sheets worth of florals. So many gorgeous florals. So let's see what we're gonna do. I've got this photo here of my daughter and her fiance, and they were having ice cream, and it looks like they're at Moomers. I don't know if they are, but it looks like Moomers in Traverse City. Okay, and that's a throwback sketch. So what I wanted to do is jump in on our sketch of the month, and I'm trying to grab it right now to show it to you. So we get these great sketches, and they are, I'm not using that one. That's for my second layout. I just saw this sketch and I remembered. So here we have it. She's got this large circle element, which makes me think of that wreath, quite frankly. Papers here, some little banner pieces, and this piece right here. So let's check out the photo that I printed. Now the biggest photos I have are 5x7. So I thought, great, let me print this. This was in my backyard the other day. There's Mr. Blue and Ryan, and they had a photo shoot, and I thought it was kind of hilarious. So we have that. Now, this is kind of nice because he's facing that way and she's facing straight on. So I can kind of do whatever I want. And as always with a sketch, you can go either way. Now, we also have a caveat. The challenge is use the largest photo that you can that captures real life moments we tend not to document, and then journal the real life story. Well, here's the deal. Here is the dealio. I kind of scrap real life moments way more than like holidays and things because they're my preference. So whatever. So from that sketch, I already know I want to use this because how cute would that be? So we can go, do we have it come out this way or in the sketch? Guys, I don't even know what paper I want to use yet. You know what I should use? Hold on. Let me find it. I have an idea. I have an idea to share with you. Let's see, it's in here. I have the main kit as well as the add-on kit as well. Oh, but wait, there's more. As well as the new acrylic kit. Guys, the acrylic kit, first of all of this is in the main kit, which is amazing. This is in the add-on kit with these cute little pieces. And you guys, this is the acrylic kit. Can you guys believe how much comes in the acrylic kit? I can't. I was very excited. And I don't know what my title is. I will figure that out. So what if we use this and we pop it up? Do we pop it up? And then maybe we can see even more fruit? What do we do? Or do we do this? Hearken, wait. I don't know yet. Because, well, no, the berries would be upside down and they might be sad little berries. I don't know. I could put it right like on top of it and then you could kind of see the berries underneath it. Maybe we'll do that. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see how this looks. Let me move these distracting things out of my way. And let's see. These actually do end way over here. Okay. I could, but I don't want his giant gooey tongue to get, missing. So what if we do that, right? So I'm going to do like tone on tone. Oh, but wait. And then we can take a bunch of my fussy cut bits and bring it around for some of this. Okay, I like that. Now, we also had, let's see, she had that No, so this is kind of taking care of the florals on that side. We're gonna need some bannery kind of stuff up here. I already have pattern paper everywhere there. Perfect. Let's see if I'm going to use my pink thickers. Oh, just chill or summer vibes. Just chill or summer vibes that I murdered this piece. Sorry. It'll glue right back together. It's fine. Guys, I think summer vibes. They're just, actually, they're just chilling too. I don't know. We'll figure it out. And these gorgeous little floral acrylics, I think I want to use 3 of them. I will use these 3. And guys, the only reason why I'm grabbing the pink is the bush that's right, where is she? Right there. It's a lilac bush. Nobody would be able to tell. It doesn't matter. I also love my butterflies. So let's get some additional color brought in with those. Have the butterflies. Perfect. So that can go to the side. I'm so excited. You guys already saw the photo I'm going to do for my second layout. So that's going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy since we've decided. Now, I love these, but nobody's wearing glasses. We'll bring in all of the things. Guys, did you see these? They are poofy. They have fabric. Can you believe it? Okay. Oh, we have flowers too. Butterflies and flowers and all of these things in squishy. So I have that color. Do I bring in another one of those? Sure. Or, oh, I don't know. It's so pretty. Okay, let's go like that. We're going to try to control ourselves a little bit. Let me move these acrylic pieces over a tiny bit. And we'll tuck in some of these florals. These were already cut out for us, which I think is super fun. And we have like these holographic pieces, guys. It's so cool. It's just so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna move the pieces I'm not using on this one just so that I really can concentrate. All right, I'm gonna pop this piece up on foam. My photo has a white mat, and I think that's plenty. It's quite dramatic. I never use something that big, so that's super fun, a super fun challenge. This can go away, and this can go away. Do you guys scrap with trays? I love the vibe of scrapping with them because you can just have out what you need right then. I think it's good. Okay, let me put this down, and then I'm going to start looking at my florals and see how I want to bulk things up. I think that would be fun. And what kind of like little bannery thing I want to do here, and then maybe something here to offset. Alrighty, Roo. So I do have my wreath down, and I started layering up flowers, and I decided I needed flowers on that side. So I'm not going to have the part in the sketch here that had the banners coming down because this just lent itself so well. I'm going to have just chill for my title, so I'll put summer vibes away for now. Guys, isn't it just so freaking fun? Now, these 2 are out in the backyard. We've got some flowers going. I also want to go ahead and tuck in some of these beautiful little butterflies and tuck in some of these little flower beds. I think it would just be gorgeous. Gorgeous. So we can have butterflies. And guys, I don't know if you can see it, but the butterflies already look like they're taking flight. So I just love it. Okay, so we have a green there. So let's get a little green bit there. Let's get a purpley bit tucked down there. And then same thing, we can just play around with these acrylic flowers and, you know, just kind of like keep the whole thing interesting because it really does. You're like, what is that? Ooh, what's in that kit? And this kit has all of the things like absolute labor of love, beautiful bit of acrylic happiness. I have an acrylic here. Actually, I have 1, 2, 3. So in a way, that's really good. How many acrylic pieces do I have over here? I'm trying to decide. I think that would be actually gorgeous. Let me get all of these things stuck down, and I want to take a little second to assess. So I have all of these pieces down, and I am rather spent. And I started playing with one of these this gingham frazzles kind of ribbon, and I created just a really quick little bow, guys. I know my bows are not fancy. It's okay. I don't mind. I think I will just go ahead and commit to this little bow being over here. I liked the idea of it wrapping around the page a little bit. So we'll put a couple little sticky dots here and there. See how it goes. Is there anything else? I don't know. I do want to add some additional florals up here. It just doesn't look dimensional enough, but that should be no big deal. We should do that just fine. Is there anything else to tell you? I don't think so. Guys, this kit is so cute and so sweet. I just love it. So that's going to come down like that. I think I will wrap. Should we have both kind of come down? So I can wrap that kind of that way and this one kind of this way, or do we want them to come down? I've got this little piece of adhesive. Sorry, I know I'm probably half off the frame. Just trying to see what I want to do. I know I want it on there because I love the pink and I think it's super cute around the title. You know what I could do? I could just cut it and like stop faffing around about it. But I want to add some of these. Then maybe I'll grab some sequins. I need like some kind of little something something around in here. I could also see, ooh, you know, with the same pink with this, maybe I will put their initials on here. How nice would that be? So cute. All right, hold on. Let's see if I can do cute. I have a cute little tiny bow. I think that's perfect. Okay, let's see about getting some initials going. Do I have an ampersand? I might not, and that's totally fine. I see exclamation points and let's see, R and B. Oh, like R and B, cute. So I think we can put this here, kind of around that cluster. But then I was thinking, oh, perfect. I'll just put a little cute dot right between it. Okay, we have their initials on. I like that. I've got lots of florals on here, but I do need just a couple more. Let's see if I can find, ooh, that blue. I already have that blue right there, but oh, do I love, that might be really pretty along that. So what I'm gonna do is do a slight trim just so it can fit. So that's good. Let me get a couple of little pop dots behind it. So guys, this is one of those layouts. Like I already fussy cut out the wreath, right? So it was really just like, what's a sketch? Okay, plop. I had my photos already printed, but that is totally something I love to do. If I can, I really enjoy kind of getting a head start on things. And I was doing some things, you know, at work that allowed me to, oh, that's gorgeous. I was doing some things at work that allowed me to do a little bit of fussy cutting, which I'm like, score, big score. All right, so that's just like that piece over there. I'm wondering, I'm just trying to hide like that flat edge. Ooh, this one will let me hide it much more. Okay, so this is about done. I'm gonna have links down below. I might put a couple sequins in. I do have a couple sequins or some like gems or something. Just a couple, no big deal. So what was I saying, guys? I get so excited, I get distracted. Oh, I'm gonna have links down below where you can get your hands on the kit. Jump into the Facebook group, play along with the sketch, because that is a blast. Let's see, I think these are literally on my desk, so I think I'm gonna put a couple little sparkly bits and bring out the purple a tiny bit. Love it. And then guys, this is gonna be done, so stay tuned. I have another layout planned. I'm looking through the flowers again because I love them so much. I'm thinking about sneaking a yellow one in right there, which may wound one of these, but we'll just hide the boo-boo bits, right? Let's go ahead and fold it up a little bit. I want to see what I thought. Yep, exactly what I want. All right, guys, I'm going to have links down below, still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. You know what? I'll show you really quickly, and then I'm going to pop just some little sparkly bits from my stash. How stinking cute. Cute, cute, cute. And that's, you know, easy peasy. It's just like tone on tone, paper on paper for the one below, so it works perfectly. And did you guys see that? There's just that little nice bit of dimension, so you get a little bit of shadow. All right, guys, still shots to follow. Bye, friends.